equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of changing the USB-C port on your Lenovo ThinkPad. This task requires some technical skills, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage to the internal components. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws or parts. Begin by powering off your Lenovo ThinkPad and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the back cover. This typically involves unscrewing several Phillips screws located around the edges of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the back cover is off, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the USB-C port on the motherboard. It is usually situated near the battery or the side of the laptop. Before proceeding, ensure that you are grounded by wearing your anti-static wrist strap. Using your plastic spudger, gently pry around the USB-C port to detach it from the motherboard. Be careful not to damage any surrounding components. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always seek help. After removing the old USB-C port, take your new port and align it with the connectors on the motherboard. Press it down gently until it clicks into place. Make sure it is securely attached before moving on. Now, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back cover back on and screw it in place using the screws you removed earlier. Ensure that all screws are tightened properly to avoid any loose parts. Before you power on your laptop, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. This will help maintain the performance of your device. Once everything is back in place, reconnect your laptop to the power source and turn it on. Test the new USB-C port by connecting a compatible device. If everything works as expected, congratulations! You have successfully changed the USB-C port on your Lenovo ThinkPad. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Plus, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. No calls, no travel, just a simple and convenient service. Thank you for following this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.